Don't let getting sick sideline your trip. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone planning their first big adventure, health should always be a top priority. Imagine this. You're all set for the trip of a lifetime, bags packed, itinerary ready, and then, out of nowhere, you start feeling unwell. It's a nightmare scenario, but it happens more often than you might think. Hey everyone, it's Babery Angela, and listen, we all know that travel bug bite can be intense, right? The excitement of exploring new places, meeting new people, and experiencing different cultures is unmatched. But with all that excitement, it's easy to forget about the potential health risks that come with traveling. But here's a statistic that might make you pause. Did you know that up to 60% of travelers experience some kind of health issue while abroad? That's a staggering number. From minor inconveniences like jet lag and dehydration to more serious conditions like food poisoning or infections, the risks are real. That's almost 2/3 of us. We're talking about those pesky stomach bugs, surprise colds, or even more serious stuff. And let's not forget about the stress and anxiety that can come with being in an unfamiliar environment. It's not just about physical health. Mental well-being is equally important. Nobody wants their dream vacation ruined by feeling under the weather. Imagine being in a beautiful location, surrounded by stunning scenery, but unable to enjoy it because you're stuck in bed. It's a scenario we all want to avoid. That's why today, we're going to equip you with the knowledge and tools to stay healthy on your adventures. From packing the right medical supplies to understanding the importance of hygiene and staying hydrated, we've got you covered. We'll also share tips on how to manage stress and anxiety while traveling, so you can fully enjoy your trip. Because let's be real, a healthy traveler is a happy traveler. When you're feeling your best, you can make the most of every moment, create unforgettable memories, and truly immerse yourself in the experience. So let's dive in and make sure your next adventure is not only exciting, but also safe and healthy. Before you even think about packing those bags, let's take a moment to focus on something even more important: your health. Traveling can be an exhilarating experience, but it can also expose you to a variety of germs and stressors that can take a toll on your body. So, how do you prepare your body to handle the rigors of travel? It's all about building a strong foundation. We need to fortify your body's defenses. Think of your body as a fortress that needs to be well guarded against invaders. This means taking proactive steps to boost your immune system and overall health. It's like building a fortress against those travel-related germs. Just as a castle has strong walls and vigilant guards, your body needs to be fortified with the right nutrients, exercise, and rest. First up, fuel your body with nutrient-rich foods. A well-balanced diet is your first line of defense. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals. These foods are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can help strengthen your immune system. Think vibrant fruits, veggies packed with antioxidants, and lean proteins. Antioxidants help combat free radicals in your body, reducing inflammation and boosting your immune response. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, and legumes, provide the building blocks your body needs to repair and maintain tissues. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. Aim for those solid 7 to 8 hours each night to keep your immune system in tip-top shape. Quality sleep is crucial for your body to repair itself and fend off illnesses. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to ensure you get the rest you need. And of course, we can't forget about exercise. Regular physical activity helps improve your cardiovascular health, boosts your mood, and enhances your immune function. Whether it's a morning jog, a gym session, or a home workout, make sure to stay active. Even squeezing in a brisk walk or some yoga can make a world of difference. These activities not only keep you fit, but also help reduce stress, which is essential for maintaining a strong immune system. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy and stick with it. And please, for the love of travel, make sure your vaccinations are up to date. Vaccinations are a critical part of your travel preparation. They protect you from serious diseases that you might encounter in different parts of the world. Talk to your doctor about any specific vaccines you might need based on your destination. Your healthcare provider can give you personalized advice and ensure that you're fully protected. Remember, a healthy traveler is a happy traveler. So, take these steps to prep your body like a temple and enjoy your journey to the fullest. All right, you're at the airport or on that long-haul flight. This is where things get real. Remember those hand sanitizer bottles you packed? Use them. And I mean like you're conducting a symphony of cleanliness. Airplanes, trains, buses, they're basically breeding grounds for germs. If you see someone coughing or sneezing, politely excuse yourself and maintain your distance. Hydration is key, my friends. Drink plenty of water to keep those immune cells in fighting shape. Let's talk about everyone's favorite part of traveling, the food. I know you want to dive into those exotic dishes, but trust me, a little caution goes a long way. When in doubt, opt for bottled water or use a water purifier. Street food can be tempting, but choose vendors who have good hygiene practices. And remember those fruits and veggies we talked about? Give them a good wash or peel them before indulging. Chapter 4. Depending on where your adventures take you, you might encounter some unwelcome guests, bugs, mosquitoes, ticks, you name it. Don't forget to pack that insect repellent with DEET and reapply it regularly. Long sleeves and pants are your best friends when you're venturing into areas known for pesky critters. And don't even think about leaving without sunscreen. Protect your skin from those harmful UV rays no matter the weather. Chapter 5. Your travel health kit, a traveler's best friend. We're talking about a well-stocked arsenal against any minor health hiccups. First things first, pain relievers. Headaches happen, especially with jet lag. Pack some antacids for those moments when you overindulge in delicious local cuisine. Electrolyte packets are lifesavers, especially if you're dealing with traveler's diarrhea. Band-Aids, antiseptic cream, and anti-diarrheal medication are non-negotiables. And of course, if you take any prescription medications, make sure you have enough to last your entire trip, plus some extra. And Chapter 6. Stay safe, stay informed. Your health is a priority. Before you jet off, take some time to research local healthcare facilities at your destination. It's always better to be prepared. Invest in travel insurance that covers medical emergencies. Trust me, it's worth every penny for peace of mind. And here's a simple but crucial tip: save local emergency numbers on your phone. Chapter 7. Conquer your fears and embrace the journey. I know some of you might be thinking, Dr. Mike, this is a lot to remember. But here's the thing, knowledge is power. By educating yourself about potential health risks and taking preventive measures, you're already ahead of the game. Don't let fear hold you back from experiencing the world. Practice stress relief techniques like deep breathing or meditation. And most importantly, focus on the joy of travel. Outrow adventure awaits. Stay healthy, explore freely. I remember this one time I was traveling through Southeast Asia, and I made the mistake of drinking tap water. It was a hot day, and I was parched after hours of exploring the bustling streets and vibrant markets. I thought, how bad could it be? Well, it turns out pretty bad. Within hours, I was feeling the effects. My stomach was in knots, and I felt incredibly nauseous. It was a hard lesson learned, but it taught me the importance of being cautious about what I consume while traveling. Let's just say it wasn't pretty. I spent the next couple of days recovering in my hotel room, missing out on some of the amazing experiences I had planned. It was a stark reminder that our health can make or break our travel adventures. I learned my lesson the hard way. From that point on, I made it a priority to always carry a reusable water bottle with a built-in filter. This simple change made a world of difference. Not only did it keep me hydrated, but it also gave me peace of mind, knowing that the water I was drinking was safe. That's why I'm so passionate about sharing these tips with you. Traveling is one of the most enriching experiences we can have, but it's crucial to stay healthy so we can fully enjoy every moment. Whether it's packing a first aid kit, knowing where the nearest medical facilities are, or simply being mindful of what we eat and drink, these small steps can make a big difference. Remember, staying healthy while traveling is all about being prepared, being mindful, and listening to your body. It's about taking proactive steps to ensure that you can handle whatever comes your way. This includes packing essential medications, staying up to date with vaccinations, and even practicing mindfulness and stress relief techniques like meditation or yoga. If you take care of yourself, you can fully embrace the incredible experiences that travel has to offer. Imagine hiking up a mountain and taking in the breathtaking views, or immersing yourself in a new culture without any health worries holding you back. The world is full of wonders waiting to be explored, and staying healthy is the key to unlocking those adventures. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to travel health tips? Have you ever had a health scare while traveling that taught you a valuable lesson? Sharing our experiences can help us all become better, more prepared travelers. Share your best travel health tips in the comments below. Let's create a community where we can learn from each other and ensure that our travels are as safe and enjoyable as possible. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel advice and inspiration. Safe travels, everyone! Your next adventure awaits, and with the right preparation, it will be an unforgettable one.